All right, guys, today we're making this hearty rotisserie chicken soup, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by mincing our garlic, mincing our onions, cutting up our celery, and then we're also going to be cutting up some carrots. You can use any kind of carrot. I just like the little mini ones. And then we're going to cut up our cabbage. After we have all of that done, we're going to take our rotisserie chicken and we're going to measure out 15 ounces, which is basically an entire chicken. Then we're going to take our cast iron skillet and we're going to heat up some oil, and we're going to cook our garlic and our onions for about 5 minutes on their own while they're fragrant and get a little soft. After that, we're going to add in our cabbage, our celery, and our carrots. We're going to mix that up a little bit, cover it, and cook it for 3 minutes. After it's cooked for 3 minutes, it's going to look like this. There's going to be some browning on the bottom. It's okay. After that, we're going to add in our chicken broth and our almond milk, and then we're going to add in all of our dry seasonings at this point, and then also our garlic bouillon base into that. Mix it all up, and then we're just going to let it sit. Add your Cholula. And then after you add your Cholula, your tapioca slurry, mix all of that in, and then we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it should look like this. All of that seasoning is going to come out. You're going to smell it. It's going to have a lot of flavor. And then we're going to add our rotisserie chicken in, and we're just going to let that sit for another 5 minutes and boil. Once that's done, that's literally it. If you guys want to and make it a little thicker, if you're not paleo, you can add some pasta to it, but bon appetit, y'all.